Well, this not only has a fall feel to the evening, but a very fall or autumn-like look over downtown Toledo. A little bank of clouds that is now pushing back into the areas. That sun gets very low on the horizon, and you felt how cool it was much of the day. Barely cracked into the lower 50s. West-northwest winds, 16 miles per hour. It's going to require the jackets and the coats, and that heater kicking on a little extra tonight in the midst of this cool mid-October weather. Here's where we're going to be going the rest of the night tonight. Partly cloudy skies. Lows tonight going to head back into the 30s, and we've got freeze warnings in effect for much of the area as we get very close to the freezing mark as we go into tomorrow morning. So here's those freeze warnings. Much of northwest Ohio, parts of southern Michigan may get some areas that are insulated either due to cloud cover or the proximity to the lake that will avoid the freeze. But bottom line, be prepared for temperatures that will get close to the freezing mark as we get into our morning tomorrow. Right around 50 degrees from Bowling Green through Toledo, back over toward Monroe into Fremont, 52 in Oak Harbor, 51 out toward Marblehead. That bus stop forecast going to need those warmer jackets. Cold start to the day with some morning frost. It will be a delay-free morning, but allow a little extra time to grab that ice scraper and clear that windshield off due to the fact that we could have about a minute or two of extra scraping just to get that windshield ready to go so you can safely travel tomorrow morning. Now, it's going to be very crucial where we see the clear skies, not only for the frost potential overnight tonight, some lake effect clouds and showers off to the east, a little bit of clearing to the west and to the south. And if we get that clearing the next 30 to 60 minutes right after sundown time, have you heard about this? Known as Comet Atlas, which will be visible about 30 to 60 minutes after sunset. And here's the deal right now. Over the next couple of days, some of the best viewing on the western sky, and you can help locate it by locating Venus. It will be close to the horizon, very bright vantage point, and just off in the distance, Comet Atlas. And get this, 130,000 miles. That is how big that comet head is, and that tail extends about 18 million miles. Why it would look so small? 44 million miles away from Earth, and it could be visible late after sunset, about 30 to 60 minutes after the sun goes down in the western sky. Rest of the night tonight, bundle up. It's going to get cold tonight, back into the low and mid 30s by tomorrow morning. Not much of an improvement as far as how it's going to feel tomorrow, right around the low to mid 50s. And we're right back toward a frosty morning on Thursday, back close to the freezing mark on Thursday morning. It is going to be quite chilly tonight. Frost or a freeze will be possible, down to 34 for the overnight low. Wednesday, partly cloudy skies, likely to get some morning frost, 56 into the afternoon high. And highs as we get into Friday will continue to warm, reaching into the 60s as we go toward our big board Friday. It is going to be a very nice Friday evening as we fall from the low 60s into the upper 50s for another great night of high school football. 62 the high on Thursday. There's some morning frost for Thursday. Morning frost again into Friday, 68. Then there's the 70s. We'll return Saturday into Sunday. We start the weekend with the low 70s, mid 70s by Sunday. Dry weather through the weekend and into early next week, and very warm October weather. Monday to Tuesday will keep us above average and dry, with highs staying about 10 to 12 degrees above average through at least early next week.